I'm Jeremy Littlejohn. I'm Chief Analyst here at RISC Networks. I think the biggest changes that we're going to see with Cloud IaaS in particular are less about IaaS as a technology and more about how companies are using IaaS. So those initial low-hanging fruit migrations, the things that we could easily put into the cloud, or the new application that we were rolling out and we were going to build in the cloud, a lot of those projects are done. And so as people continue to want to leverage IaaS as a cost savings and a scalability technology, they're going to have to refocus their effort on other applications, more enterprise applications that they're using today, whether that be a pure forklift migration, or if they rebuild those applications in an IaaS environment. I think the primary barrier is planning, proper planning. And that runs the whole gamut of the cloud lifecycle. So identification of quality workloads to move, planning for those, doing dependency mapping for those workloads or applications, whichever way you want to enter your environment, and then properly planning for the network piece of it. That's one that we see people routinely ignoring or waiting until the last minute, and then realizing that that's going to be a critical component for them to have success as they do a cloud migration. Well, RISC Networks built a platform that actually helps people plan themselves. So rather than tell them prescriptively what to do, what we wanted to do was give them all the tools they needed to execute a plan themselves. They can gather data on their own environment. They can create a plan. They can do several different models of that plan to see what works best for their budget, what works best for their applications, and then they can execute that plan to actually do the migration. So instead of trying to solve the problem of exactly what you ought to do, what we decided to do was say, this is the tool that you can use to make your own decisions and make better decisions than you can make without it.